Morning guys, in front of me is REALME P3 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number assigned to this device. So at first just open not TikTok pack but your phone dialer, enroll keypad and enter secret code. The code is *##06#, and here you've got device info, so both IMEIs are at the top of the list. Tap on OK to exit, and now you can also find it via settings. So at first let's enroll the settings, and then from main settings list select about phone, scroll down and mark status. And here you also got your both IMEI numbers. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.